Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to create a transparent signature in Microsoft Word. First, you'll need an image of your signature. Make sure the background is white for the best results. Save this image to your computer. Next, open Microsoft Word and create a new document or open an existing one where you want to add your transparent signature. Click on the Insert tab in the ribbon at the top of the screen. Then, click on Pictures and choose this device to insert the scanned image of your signature from your computer. Once the image is inserted, click on it to select it. Then, click on the Picture Format tab that appears in the ribbon. Now click on the Crop option to adjust and crop your image according to your needs. Once you're satisfied with the size of the image, right-click on the image and choose Format Picture from the menu. Now go to the picture properties from the menu on the right side. From here, adjust the sharpness of the image to around 90 to 95%. Next, adjust the brightness to around 70% and contrast to 90%. Now, again, right-click on the image and hover over to Warp Text and choose the option Behind Text. And there you have it. Your transparent signature is now ready to be used in your Word document. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Tech Tricks for more tutorials. See you in the next video.